Hi friends! Great morning! Marian Santos from the Philippines po. So, it's Saturday in the Philippines. We're at home. Housework po today. Yan, we're doing our laundry today. And yan, we'd like to share you our books pa rin that we are reading. So, the Success Principle ni Jack Canfield. So, we're almost finished. Principle number 62 na tayo. Find a way to serve. Yan, friend. So, we have shared a lot of give more, to have more, ano pa, learn more, to earn more, transform your inner critic into an inner coach. So, today, find a way to serve. Yan. So, sabi ni Ralph Waldo Emerson, it's one of the beautiful compensation of this life that no man can sincerely try to help another without helping himself. So, parang the opposite yung sinasabi ni Sir Ralph Waldo Emerson, an American essayist and poet. So the greatest level of contentment and self-satisfaction are experienced by those who have found a way to serve others. So we are asking to volunteer dun sa mga skills that we have or organizations we that attracts us. So sabi nga, decide what is important to you. So why do you have to decide what's important? Kasi syempre we serve dun sa mga advocacies or callings or vocation or organization that we are comfortable with and that we are interested to share our talents, our skills, or even our resources, financial or pwedeng equipments or like books or whatever resources we have. So sabi nga, volunteer your skills. Kasi sabi niya, you'll get more than you give. So in the process kasi of volunteering your skills, parang ikaw yung na-add more when you serve other people and share your talents or your know-how or your wisdom or experiences. Parang ikaw pa yung mas na bless or nagiging abundant when you share your skills to others. Sabi niya, chicken soup for the soul. Yung ginagawa daw nila yun ni Mark Hansen, if I'm not mistaken, o yung co-author niya sa Success Principles. Sabi niya, parang they needed 30 more stories dun sa kanilang book. So, in order to complete the book. So, parang he asked yung mga volunteer works ng iba to add to their book. So, kumbaga, they were able to complete that book. So we spend a lot of time serving the people who serve. You build up a network of generous, caring people who love to give and make a difference. You know, a lot of people who are into service, you can get a lot of done. You could get a lot of things done. All of us will collaborate, will serve, will share our skills, our talent, our resources. Sabi niya, service always comes back multiplied. So parang, kasi pag nagsaserve ka, actually ang feeling mo parang ikaw yung nag-multiply or ikaw yung na-add up of whatever na nasi-share mo, parang ikaw yung nag-grow, ikaw yung nagbe-benefit, not just the people you serve. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.